Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn properties of division. So in this topic we will see four types of properties. So your first properties is two division fact can be derived from one multiplication fact. What is your first property? That from one multiplication fact we can derive two divisions. We'll see one example, that 7 into 6 is equal to 42. This is your multiplication. Okay, so from this we will take two division fact, that when we will divide 42 divided by 6 we will get 7, and when 42 divided by 7 we will get 6. Yes, it means from this multiplication what we are getting? We are getting two types of division. These two are division. Okay, so division and multiplication we can show here that both are connected with each other. Okay, children, we will see next property. So our next property is, if a number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. So what is your next property? If number is divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. If we will divide any number with 1 by 1, if we will divide any number by 1, your answer will be number itself. So example, 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. If we will divide 10 divided by 1, you will get 10. 5 divided by 1, you will get 5. So any number, if we will divide it by 1, you will get the same number, means that number itself. Okay, and next property is, if a number is divided by itself, the answer is 1. In this, what it is written here, that if a number is divided by itself, if we will divide a number by itself, the answer will be 1. So 10 divided by 10, your answer is 1. In this, when we were dividing 1, means by 1 we were getting the number itself, but when we will divide number, both number same, means number itself divided by number itself, your answer will be 1. Okay, and last fourth property is, if 0 is divided by a number, the number is 0. If we will divide, if 0 is divided by a number, if 0, we will divide 0 by any number, so your answer will be 0. And listen, children, we cannot divide, means we cannot divide 5 or any number by 0. We cannot divide any number by a 0. That will be error. That is undefined. That we cannot do. Okay, so we can divide 0 by any number, and your answer will be 0. So don't confuse in it. If number you are getting, if you are dividing number by 0, that is wrong. You have to divide 0 by a number, your answer will be 0. Okay, children, so you write all for four properties in your notebook and solve next exercise. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.